Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna check out the best GoWISE air fryers in the market for this year. I made this based on my personal opinion, and I try to list them based on a price, quality, durability, and more information about these GoWISE air fryers you can check out the description below, so let's get started. Number 1. GoWISE USA GW22967 Electric Air Fryer. The single basket and crisper tray give you 5 quarts of cooking space, the perfect size for feeding a 1 to 2 person household or to whip up some snacks for a party. Easily and quickly cook 2 8-oz steaks or 12 wings with a touch of a button without heating up the house. Air fry, grill, and more. This extra large air fryer is designed with 8 cooking functions, so you can save time and space. Air fry, roast, toast, dehydrate, grill, bake, reheat, or keep warm all in one appliance. The control panel features a full touchscreen menu to make it easy to select a function, set a time and temp, and start cooking with a touch of a button. The cooking possibilities are endless with an extended cooking timer up to 60 minutes and a wide temperature range from 180 Fahrenheit to 400 Fahrenheit. The air fryer gives you more control by allowing you to set the temperature in increments of 5. Use your air fryer as a dehydrator too. The built-in dehydrate function is designed with a temperature range from 90 Fahrenheit to 170 Fahrenheit and a timer from 2 to 24 hours. Your new air fryer will enable you to prepare more servings of dried fruits, veggies, beef jerky, and your own dried herbs. Easy cooking followed by easy cleanup. This air fryer is built to last. The removable pan and crisper tray are coated with PFOA-free non-stick material. The non-stick basket extra large cooking space measures to be 10 inches by 5 inches by 4 inches. Number 2. GoWISE USA GW22978 Air Fryer. Compared with a 5-quart air fryer basket or smaller, this air fryer comes with an extra large cooking capacity. The single basket and crisper tray give you 7 quarts of cooking space that easily fits a whole chicken or 4 to 5 burgers. This air fryer is perfect for feeding the whole family or to whip up some snacks for a party without heating up the house. Use your air fryer as a dehydrator tool. The built-in dehydrate function is designed with a temperature range from 90 degrees Fahrenheit to 170 degrees Fahrenheit and a timer from 2 to 24 hours. The air fryer comes with 3 stackable racks that enables you to prepare more servings of dried fruits, veggies, beef jerky, and your own dried herbs. Featuring a new preheat function, this air fryer will automatically preheat to a desired temperature of your choice. It also allows you to preheat with another preset with ease. Simply press preheat along with the desired preset. Once the air fryer beeps to indicate that preheat is completed, simply add food and the fryer will continue cooking at the preset setting. Easy cooking followed by easy cleanup. This air fryer is built to last. The removable pan and crisper tray are coated with PFOA-free non-stick material. The non-stick basket extra large cooking space measures to be 9.9 by 9.75 inches by 5.5. Comes with a recipe book that contains 100 recipes tested right in our GoWISE kitchen. These step-by-step recipes will get you started and hooked on using your new kitchen gadget. Number 3. GoWISE USA GW22931 Digital Air Fryer. Healthier cooking in 30 minutes or less. Thanks to rapid air technology, you can now experience your favorite food without the extra calories. This air fryer can fry, bake, grill and roast with little to no oil. Modern touchscreen design, sleek and modern look with advanced touchscreen menu. New features include a start-stop button allowing you to change your program mid-cycle, as well as a built-in alarm function to remind you to shake your ingredients in 5, 10, and 15-minute increments. 8 preset cooking options and accessory. Enjoy 8 pre-programmed cooking functions including fries, chips, chicken, steak, shrimp, cake, fish and pizza. Or, use the manual controls to customize to your needs. This air fryer is equipped with a wide temperature range from 180 Fahrenheit to 400 Fahrenheit and a timer for up to 30 minutes. Cook 2 meals at once with the basket divider accessory. Recipe book included, includes 50 recipes specifically made for GoWISE USA Air Fryers. Get started today with 50 step-by-step recipes to explore all that your new kitchen gadget has to offer. Customer obsessed and committed to 100% satisfaction, all GoWISE USA products come with a 30-day money-back guarantee, 1 year and forever support from GoWISE customer care. Registered products receive an additional 60 days of coverage. Number 4. GoWISE USA GW 22980 Air Fryer. Large cooking capacity. With 5.5 quarts of cooking space, this air fryer is perfect for feeding a crowd or to whip up some snacks for a party. One-touch cooking. This GoWISE USA air fryer is easy to operate. The large control panel features a one-touch menu screen with 8 cooking functions: air fry, roast, broil, bake, grill, keep warm, preheat and dehydrate. Includes large 180-degree viewing window. Take a peek at your ingredients cooking without interrupting the cooking process. The large 180-degree viewing window is equipped with a bright interior light, so you can cook to your desired doneness. New features. This air fryer now has a mute function to turn off the sound from pressing buttons and an alarm function to remind you to shake or flip your ingredients for the best results. Easy to clean non-stick coated pan and crisper tray. Easy cooking followed by easy cleanup. This air fryer is built to last, with a heavy-duty non-stick coated basket and crisper tray. Number 5. GoWISE USA GW 22991 Steam Air Fryer. 3 cooking modes: make French fries, steamed veggies, fish, and more. The new steam air fryer comes with 3 cooking modes: air fry, steam, or combo, giving you the option to cook a wider variety of dishes. Its large 7-quart capacity allows you to cook for the whole family. 8 cooking presets. This air fryer hasn't met an ingredient it can't cook. Featuring 8 cooking presets: fries, potato, chicken, eggs, vegetables, bread, bagel, cake, and broil. Pair one of 7 presets with your desired cooking mode with easy-to-use and intuitive touchscreen. Except broil only works in air fry mode. Pan with crisper tray with legs. This air fryer comes with a single fry pan and crisper tray. Get the best broil results with the fryer by elevating the crisper tray with the collapsible legs. Self-clean function. Easily descale your steam air fryer with the self-clean function. Wide temperature and timer control. This air fryer features a wide temperature range from 180 Fahrenheit to 400 Fahrenheit and a timer up to 60 minutes. The steam mode is set to a temperature of 212 degrees Fahrenheit and cannot be changed.